Hello everyone, today we'll talk about synchronization in Java multithreading. What is the purpose of synchronization in Java multithreading? We will look into the real-world example and try to understand the concept of synchronization. Suppose husband and wife has a joint account. So assume that both are present on different locations, location A and location B. One is using ATM, another is on shop. So the husband trying to withdraw joint account at 11 o'clock 00 second. And we look at the other end, his wife has finished shopping and she is paying now at 11:00:01 second. But look at the person who is using the ATM machine at the joint account has locked at 11:00 second. So basically his wife is on waiting state, and see what happened in a second. Oh, transaction has failed. So before has €100 in the account, now has transaction has failed. So why this happened? So because bank won't allow them to take money from their joint account at the same time. Suppose his wife take $50 and he take $90, alright? So what happens? So $140 will be taken out from the account. So bank won't allow this. So they made a synchronization. Synchronization is nothing but if there's 2% access to the one resource, whoever access first, he locked the resource until he finished his job, and then the second person, they can access it. So one person access at a one time in a simple word. So if there's no synchronization, what happens? 2% will access to the resource and they take out in the same time transactions on the same account without synchronization. If there's synchronization, there's a peace of mind for them. So if whoever access into the account first, lock. So this is the main concept behind the synchronization. Here's the code, multi-threading without synchronization. Alright. So first look the big picture of this code. What happening? Alright. So something extending. What extending? Add penny thread, extend thread. Thread is the parent class, and add penny is thread is the child class. Alright. The second part is important here, which is thread. Alright, the run function, the run method. From where the run method came is from the parent. Now we want to use this class. How we use it? We make the main class. Here is a main class. Alright. How we know this is main class? Because we see the objects, we see there's a main method, and we see the constructor. And the last part here we see for loop. For loop is running something 0 to 99. Alright. So we are studying multi-threading. Alright, so multi-threading, there's use start method. Alright, what is the start method? There's something the runnable. It's not run at the moment, but it's runnable. What is the start method? Does it make the runnable? Alright, so thread is ready for running. It's not running at the moment, but it's runnable. Alright, so how many threads are? 0 to 99. So this loop create 100 threads. So what happened when dot start method call? We go back again here. So as soon dot start method call, they call the run functions. It should be here dot run, but it is dot start. This method, this not running at the moment, but it's runnable method. This is all about the multi-threading. Alright, so if we go back now here, as soon they hit dot start, they run this method, but without synchronization. So in this case, if we run this code, what happened? Whoever's come into the account, they take the money out. Suppose there's a 100 there, 2% at the same time, 100, they take 200. So bank has only €100 in their account, but they take 200 because there's no synchronization. Now this is here is multi-threading with synchronization. How we know this is synchronization? Because we use a method called synchronized void. So basically what happening here, we're still using the extend class with their parent class. Thread is the parent class, and we use the run method. Okay, so as we can see here with the synchronization, there's a lot simpler way. There's no much into the run method. Just recall add penny. That is, add penny is the synchronize method. How the synchronization works: suppose two person has a joint account, person A and person B. All right, so suppose if the person B first access to the joint account, so he will lock the account. Person A cannot access until person B release that joint account. Does this make sense now? This is because of synchronization. If we do the same process without synchronization, what happening? If their joint account, they will take the money out whatever they want. Without synchronization, bank cannot manage their client with a joint account. Hope this makes sense to you. And this is the main class, almost the same as without synchronization. Creation of objects, threads are created 0 to 99, but all we need to learn here is the method called synchronize. That's all. If there's synchronize method here, it's something. There's 100 of threads, but one thread access at a one time. Keep in mind. All right, I hope at this stage you have cleared the concept of synchronization. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Bye for now.